sometimes we just want to quickly deploy a mern stack application or maybe our mobile application backend into AWS, Google Cloud Platform, or maybe DigitalOcean. But not having AWS knowledge, sometimes it becomes a little bit painful. And in this series, particularly, we're going to do that. And we're not going to go too much depths so that you get confused. I know DevOps, that's why, and that's how it exists. And it can go too much depth. So we're not going to implement the load balancer. We're not going to make a good infrastructure. We're just going to quickly spin up a EC2 instance. Don't you worry on that part. What is EC2? I'm going to completely guide you. We're going to spin up a computer, a virtual computer, and we are going to implement install Node.js and all of the other necessary tools. Then we are going to deploy specifically, upload our backend or maybe front end or maybe application and access it via browser. So how are we going to access it via browser? Definitely we need to connect a domain. We need to connect the SSL certificate. We need to do a lot of stuff. And in this particular series, in a couple of videos, we are going to do that. Don't you worry, it's just absolutely breeze. It's so easy, so don't get too much confused. Let's go ahead and get started with our very first AWS journey. Bye-bye.